Welcome to the world of dreams today. Chinway.
The stars above are winking bright. Whispers float on this quiet night. Every glow feels warm and true, but all I want is to be with you. The moon is painting pictures high. Dreams are dancing across the sky. The world is big and wide, it's true, but all I need is to be with you. Hold my hand, don't let it go. Through the winds and gentle snow, every wish and every hue leads me home to be with you. The trees sway soft, they hum a tune, singing secrets under the moon. The melody feels magic too, but nothing beats just being with you. Through the laughter and the tears, through the shadows, through the years, no matter where the road bends through, I'll always want to stay with you. Hold my hand, don't let it go. Through the winds and gentle snow, every wish and every hue leads me home to be with you. The stars above are winking bright. Whispers float on this quiet night. Every glow feels warm and true, but all I want is to be with you. The moon is painting pictures high. Dreams are dancing across the sky. The world is big and wide, it's true, but all I need is to be with you. Hold my hand, don't let it go. Through the winds and gentle snow, every wish and every hue leads me home to be with you. Trees sway soft, they hum a tune, singing secrets under the moon. The melody feels magic too, but nothing beats just being with you. Through the laughter and the tears, through the shadows, through the years, no matter where the road bends through, I'll always want to stay with you. Hold my hand, don't let it go. Through the winds and gentle snow, every wish and every hue leads me home to be with you. The stars above are winking bright. Whispers float on this quiet night. Every glow feels warm and true, but all I want is to be with you. The moon is painting pictures high, dreams are dancing across the sky. The world is big and wide, it's true, but all I need is to be with you. Hold my hand, don't let it go. Through the winds and gentle snow, every wish and every hue leads me home to be with you. The trees sway soft, they hum a tune, singing secrets under the moon. The melody feels magic too, but nothing beats just being with you. Through the laughter and the tears, through the shadows, through
Guys, good evening guys. So guys, today is the day baby went to take her monthly shot. That is the clip you guys saw. I didn't want to start showing you guys so many things because it's not the first time now. I've been taking you guys to that place very well, so it's almost in my videos, so there's no need of me start showing you guys. Started showing you guys everything there. So we are back already. Hobby has gone to work, so he's on afternoon shift. He has gone to work. The kids are already back from school, so you can see baby, she's sleeping. She has been crying. So they injected that on her two laps. So I believe the pain, now the pain have started, and she has been crying. They told me if her body is hot, I should give her tacaprina, but her temperature is still okay. So that's just it. We are back. Really, I want to cry. I don't know what to do again. YouTube can be frustrating. I don't know. Content creation can be frustrating. Let me talk to you guys. Let me lament. What is this one in my mouth? Let me lament. Ever since this week, I don't even know what to do again, and I don't know if it's to stop creating content. I don't know if it's to leave YouTube and look for something else. I don't just know what to do. Because you create content, if you don't get the necessary views, it looks as if you're not even trying at all. It looks as if I'm not even doing anything. I've watched videos to look for the secrets, but still yet nothing. I don't know what to do. Seriously guys, I don't know what to do. I'm down. I've been down since this week, thinking if I should stop creating content, if I should leave YouTube. I don't just know, but I don't want to leave. I don't want to stop creating content. I want to continue. I love creating content, really. I love making videos. I love showing myself, my lifestyle, my family. I love doing all those good stuff. But the thing is, putting all the effort, the energy, sleepless nights, and I started having eye problems. See my eye. Don't know if you guys can see it very well. See my eye. Started having an eye problem because of too much screen, trying to edit, trying to create content, trying to post and all that. And at the end of the day, you start seeing 20, 25, at most 300 views. Guys, it's not encouraging. It's not encouraging. Is there anything I'm not doing well? Is there anything I'm not doing okay? Please, I need your candid advice. Tell me what I'm not doing well in my channel. I really want to grow. I really want to do better. I really want to progress in this content creating thing. I do want to progress, but guys, the body is willing, but the spirit is willing, but the body is weak. The spirit is willing, the body is weak. I want to continue to create content, but let me tell you guys, no matter the frustration, I will keep creating content. I go nowhere. I'm going to remain on YouTube, but now it's frustrating, but I'll keep trying. So what I'm trying to say, guys, please, I need your thoughts, I need your observation, I need your encouragement, I need, if you know what I can do, what I need to do to progress on this space, on this platform, please, your candid advice is necessary, is needed. I need it now, please. I need it more than ever. I need it more than ever. I love creating content. I came into YouTube to create content, to showcase my lifestyle. But I also came to make money. Yes, I came to make money. This is what I do. A new immigrant living in Italy. I'm jobless. I don't have anything doing. So the only way I can support myself and my family for now is creating content. Is YouTube. I can't work. Okay. Italy policy is that as far I gave birth, this baby she will have to get up to 3 years before I can start working. She has to go into school before I can start doing anything. So YouTube is the only job I have for now. Is my job, my 9 to 5 job I have for now. So please, guys, support me. Keep supporting me. Support me so that I can grow on this space. I don't know. If there's anything I'm not doing okay, anything I'm not doing well, please, you're free to advise me. If you want to insult me, insult me. If you want to encourage me, encourage me. But please, give me advice on how I can do better or what I am not doing better that I can improve. Please, I am ready to listen. I am ready to improve. That is just it, guys. That is just it. So any other thing, I'll take you guys along, but if there is none, thank you guys for always watching. I want to appreciate my subscribers. So I want to appreciate people that always come back to watch. I don't want to call names. Let me not call names because there are more people that always come back. I always see your comments. I always see you always come back. There are people that I know they must watch my videos. Thank you and God bless. My new subscribers, thank you and God bless. Future subscribers, thank you and God bless you all. The little one I've got it. My 2,100 subscribers, I appreciate your love and support. Everything that you guys have been doing for this family, I thank you. Some of you came through relocation. Some of you came through lifestyle. Some came through baby Zena, giving birth to baby Zena. I appreciate all your love and support. Thank you and God bless. Guys, I don't know if I'm going to be ending it, but if there's any other clip, I'm going to add to it. But if I'm ending it here, thank you. May God bless you all. See you in our next video.